Hello everyone, welcome to another mathematics lesson. So we are looking at question 8. So this is a question that is coming from arithmetic progression. So here you can see there are two questions. So I'm going to start with the question A. An arithmetic progression is given as so your AP that you are being given is 1, 7, 13. 1, 7, 13. So the question is find the 80th term. Find the 80th term. So here you're going first to come up with the answer, or sorry, the formula. In this case, the formula is 80th term is equal to, so since this is an arithmetic progression, the formula is going to be A first term plus open bracket n minus 1. Okay, then D. So here we know that A standing for the first term, then N, that's the number of terms, D standing for what? For common difference. So this we know. So we are saying A is equal to first what? Term, not so? Then N, we are saying this is the 80th term according to the question. Then D is the common difference. So under AP, how do we find the common difference? So under AP, to find the common difference, we're just going to say second term minus first term. Okay, so you come back to your sequence. This is your term 1, and this will be your term 2, and this will be your term 3. So to find the common difference, you're just going to say term 2 is 7 minus term 1 is 1. So 7 minus 1, you get what? 6. So let's just now compute right here. You say 8th term is equal to our first term A there is 1, okay, plus open bracket n is the number of terms. In this case is the 80th term, so you write 8 minus 1 close bracket. What is your common difference? 6. So from here, just say 8th term is equal to 1 plus, so here we open the bracket by saying my 8 minus 1, it's 7, close bracket, and then 6. So from here, 8th term is equal to, so what you're going to do is open the bracket there by multiplying, okay, 7 times 6. So I'm going to write 1 plus, now 7 times 6, what are you going to get? 7 times 6, okay, so 7 times 6, we are going to get what? Should be 42. Yeah, we're going to get 42. So 8th term is equal to 1 plus 42, you're going to get what? 43. So this is our 80th term. Okay, so let's now come to question B. So I want us to find the sum of the first 15 terms. So in order for you to find the sum of the 15 terms, come up with a formula where you say sum, okay, you say sum of 15 terms is equal to, so this is the formula that you're supposed to use, number of terms over 2, okay, and you are going to have square bracket, then you say 2a plus open bracket number of terms minus 1 close bracket, then you multiply with the common what? Difference. Okay, so what you are going to do is write your data here, organize your information. So n, number of terms, since they are saying sum of the first 15 terms, so n will be represented by 15. Okay, then a, we know that that is our first term. In this case it's 1 according to this sequence that you are given this side. Okay, then what is the value of d? The common difference, what we did we say? We said the common difference is 6. So just substitute there. We are going to say sum of 15 terms is equal to So where there is n, you're going to replace with 15 over 2, okay, then open square bracket, 2 times, where there is a, we put 1, plus, open bracket, again where there is n, we put 15 minus 1, close, okay, then times it. This g is the common difference, which is 6. So I hope we are moving together. Now from there, what are you going to do? Okay, from there, what are you going to do? Just work out, you say sum of 15 terms is equal to. So from here, you're going to say 15 over 2. Then you do this, 2 times 1 is 2, plus, here you have 15 minus 1, which will give you 14, close bracket, then times 6. Okay, so from there, what's next? From there, what's next? Okay, from here, this is what you're going to do. You say sum of 15 terms is equal to. So here, let's work out everything that is in the brackets. We can say 15 over 2. Then we do this. Here we write 2. Now 6 times 14. Okay, so here plus 6 times 14. 6 times 4 is 24. We write 4. Carry 2. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus that 2, it's 8. So meaning that 6 times 14, you get 84. Okay, then we close. Then from here, I'll just proceed here, where I'll say 15 over 2, then 84 plus 2, you're going to get 86. Okay, now from here, try to simplify. Say 2 here, 1, 2 into 8, it's 4, then 2 into 6, it's 3. So you have 15 times 15 times 43. Okay, so the sum there, the final answer, so you just have to multiply separately, because this is paper 1, so there's no need for you to start using the calculator. Just ensure that you multiply separately somewhere, where you say 15 times 43 is going to give you what? 645. Okay, so your final answer right here, your final answer, we have said it's going to be 645 as the sum of the 1530 terms. Okay everyone, we now come to another question. So here we have 2 questions. Question A, in a bag there are 4 red marbles. Sorry, there are 4 blue marbles and 3 red marbles, also 2 white marbles. What is the probability of picking at random a red marble? So here we are answering our first question. They want you to find the probability of picking a red marble equal to. So the formula that you can use, you're going to say number of favorable outcomes over total number of outcomes. So in this case, you want to find the probability of picking a red marble. So the number of favorable outcomes for red marbles, in the question they have told you that how many red marbles? 3. So you're going to say 3 over. Then what is the number for the total outcomes? So to find the number of the total outcomes, you're just going to add all the marbles together. In this case, you say 4 marbles plus 3 marbles, then plus 2 marbles. And the total number of marbles is going to be 9. So here you write 9. This is the answer. Okay, this is the probability of picking at random a red marble. So we have answered our question A. We now come to question B. Okay, so under question B, I hope we are together. Under question B, they want you to solve 2x squared plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So in order for you to solve this quadratic equation, we are going to use factorization method, of which we need to come up with the product and the sum. So in this case, the sum, look at this x which is on the middle, x with the lowest power of 1. Okay, it means the coefficient of this x is a 1, a positive 1, because it's plus x. Then the product, how do we find the product? You can check here. We have this coefficient of x squared, which is 2. This coefficient 2, you multiply it with the constant negative 3. So you say 2 times negative 3, and it will give us negative 6. So we have product negative 6, sum 1. Now come up with the two numbers such that when you multiply them, you are going to get negative 6. When you add them, you are going to get positive 1. Those numbers are negative 2 times 3, it will give you negative 6. Again, if you say negative 2 plus 3, it will give you positive 1. So these are the factors that you are going to replace here. Okay, so here, what are we going to do? This is what you are going to do now. You are going to say 2x squared minus 2x, then plus 3x, then minus 3 is equal to 0. So here, the only thing that we are going to change is this, the positive x, meaning the 2x squared and the negative 3, you maintain them. Okay, you will replace with the factors. So from there, what's next? From there, what's next? So you have got 4 terms. Just group them like this. After grouping them, then factorize in the first one. What is common here is 2x. So you say 2x, open bracket, 2x into 2x squared. We are going to remain with what? X. Minus 2x into 2x, it's 1. You close, plus, even here, you have 3x minus 3. What is common? It's a 3, open bracket, 3 into 3x, you just remain with x, minus 3 into 3, 1. Okay, then equal to what? 0. So I hope that you are following. Then from there, what are you going to do? Okay, just pick one, because these are common, x minus 1. So just say x minus 1, okay, equal to 0. Or you can pick this. You have 2x, then plus 3x. Or 2x plus 3 is equal to what? 0. So from there, what you are going to do is just say, okay, from there, you just say x is equal to 1, because this negative 1 will go to where 0 is. You are correcting the right terms. Or for this one, it's going to be 2x is equal to negative 3. So just divide with 2, even this side by 2. So these 2 and these 2 will cancel, meaning your final answer, therefore, is going to be x is equal to 1, or x is equal to negative 3 over 2. So these are the answers. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for having time to view this content. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you are free to leave a comment in the comment section, and I will be able to respond to you. Thank you.